Hey, hello and welcome. My name is Kalam. In this video, I'm going to show you how to exactly create a website using AI. It's absolutely free. So I live in Africa, Asia, Europe, and America. This doesn't matter where I live in because this company and website work worldwide. At first, I'm going to focus.com. It's help to create AI website in just 2 minutes. So let's start. At first, I'm going to here. This link I will attach in the description below. Then click here. Then you can see this is the dashboard. You need to log in here. This is simple. Just put your Gmail. Then you can see this is dashboard. Then select what type of website do you need right now. And I need an online store. Just click here. If you select a blog, a portfolio, food and drinks, restaurant and clothing, and any others, then that doesn't matter. Just click here. Then select a specific category. Example of restaurant, clothing, website, food and beverage, and any others. Example of I need a cosmetic store. I need a select facial treatment, hair styling, nail care. So I choose this one, hair styling. You can choose others, matter. I recommend you choose a three product because personalize your website by selecting the service you wish to offer. What type of service and product offer your customer. Now, I want to sell my product and they select this one. Then if you want to write a blog, then choose number 2. Get booking number 3. Just choose one. I choose number 1. Then if you have a business address, then just choose number 1. Then select area online business only. I choose online business only because I don't have a physical store. Now I need to choose a business name. Now, Mr. Kalam Shop in. This is my business name. You can choose any name. It doesn't matter. Shop in. Now I choose a friendly service, affordable. This one. This is perfect. Now, how would you like your website visitor to contact you? I choose a business contact website contact from. You can, if you have a business address, just choose this one. And if you have a phone number, choose number 3. So I choose number 1. Just continue. Wow, my website is ready. You can see here this is my website. So I want to change this font and everything. Number 2 style. So I choose number 1 because this is an attractive and beautiful. So now I choose a brand color and the 4 style. I choose number 1. This is number 2 and number 3 and this number 4. So I choose a number 1. Right. Now if you want to change your font, example of this one, this one, this one. So this is good. Now just create my website. Click here. Please wait few seconds because this work on processing. If you are a new viewers in the channel, please subscribe my channel and turn on notification bell for next video. And if you are highly interested to learn this type of make money online, create website, AI, and chatgpt, then you continue watching video, others video on my channel because I will share this type of video. Now, if I want to change my logo, just here, then image, then put your image from a gallery. Just click here, my image, upload new media. Example of my logo, this one. This is example only. If you don't have a computer, PC, laptop, uh, you are able to use a mobile phone because this website support mobile phone. You can create your website using your mobile phone, Android mobile phone and iOS both. Just put your logo here. Then if you want to change this font, just click here. Anything change. Able to change $100. If I change to $50, then select view more and add your other page here. Everything are customizable. And put your Lego logo. Then get this icon and everything are customizable. So I don't need to customization because this is an example website I create for you. Now view, click here for view website. If you have a custom domain before you buy others website, just click here custom domain, use custom domain, and put your website here. And if you don't have a custom domain, just click view website. Wow, this is more beautiful. So that's it. So if you are new viewers, subscribe my channel and turn on notification bell. See you again.